I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'd like to address a question coming from you. I sometimes let kids walk all over me, and when I see it happening, I immediately overcorrect and set strict rules and expectations. What's a good balance between being too rigid or too wishy-washy? Oftentimes, we don't want to really admit that we do that. But we've all been there. Times when you just kind of like get a little bit wishy-washy, and then all of a sudden you realize, man, these kids won't do anything. They're walking all over me. And then you come in like, that's it, today, where it's no this and no that. And you're right, there has to be a balance. You can't go one way all the way and then one way all the way the other way, because it confuses people and it confuses kids. We always strive for consistency. And so I like to, right out of the gate, set what I call my non-negotiables. This is a really powerful tool that can be helpful for you when you kind of fall into this pattern. If right from day one, you set the non-negotiables, these are the things that are not okay, that are never tolerated. And those can be things like how you straighten up the room, to how you transition, to the language that you use, put downs to other people. It only has to be these 2 or 3 things. And those kids know that every time they kind of fall into doing one of the non-negotiables, you're going to say, oh, that's a non-negotiable. That's not okay. See, if they know that, then they'll be better able to handle when you kind of get a little wishy-washy and then when you get strict. But if you always go one way or the other and you don't have what they can expect to always be the absolutes, it's going to make it harder to recover. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos. If you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.